Top 6 exciting features of Linux Mint 22.1 Xia. Linux Mint 22.1, codenamed Xia, brings some exciting updates and features while introducing a unique naming change. The Mint team decided to skip the alphabet W names because they didn't find any that fit well, and instead we have Xia. Let's dive into what's new and noteworthy in this release. Number 1, NightLight. One of the most anticipated addition is the NightLight feature. It's a game changer for reducing eye strain, especially for late night users. With late night, you can adjust the screen's color temperature, making it easier on your eyes during evening hours. By default, it follows an automatic schedule based on your local sunrise and sunset time. But if you prefer, you can manually set a start and end time to suit your needs. Number 2, Cinnamon 6.4 Desktop Environment. The star of the show is Linux Mint 22.1 is the Cinnamon 6.4 Desktop. This version introduces a brand new default theme designed for users who install Cinnamon independently or use it on non-Mint distributions. While this fresh theme isn't visible on Linux Mint itself, it enhances the vanilla Cinnamon experience. Number 3, Modern Dialog Buttons. Cinnamon 6.4 also brings modernized dialog buttons that mimics GNOME's sleek design. Now, when you see prompts for actions like entering a password or shutting down, you'll notice rounded corners and highlighted colors for key actions such as authenticate or shut down. It's a small but welcome improvement in the visual experience. Number 4, Update Manager Enhancements. The Update Manager gets a significant under-the-hood upgrade. While its appearance remains the same, improvements in package management, multi-threading, and multiprocessing make updates smoother and more reliable than ever. Number 5, Power Modes. Linux Mint 22.1 introduces Power Modes, a feature that lets you manage your system performance levels, particularly useful for laptops. You will find Power Saver mode ideal for conserving energy by limiting performance. Balanced mode adjusts performance dynamically as needed. And on some supported systems, there is even a performance mode designed to maximize throughput without worrying about power consumption. Number 6 and the final thing is the new Wallpaper Sets. Linux Mint is known for its stunning wallpapers, and this release takes things a step further with refreshed wallpaper sets. The wallpapers are now better organized, making it easy to find what you're looking for, whether it's a Mint-themed, older classics, or vibrant 3D backgrounds. The new structure helps you quickly pick the perfect backdrop for your desktop. Now, ready to download Linux Mint 22.1? You can grab the ISO files from the official website. What's your favorite feature in Linux Mint 22.1 Xia? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I already made the Linux Mint 22.1 stable version, Cinnamon desktop environment, and also the comparison video. If you want to check it out, you can check it out in my channel. And also I'll be posting 2 videos daily without missing. So if you want to subscribe, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. Peace out.